What is going on? We're back. We're doing a vlog today. We're actually headed up to Grid Life Laguna, and I could not be more excited. So why are we going to Grid Life? Well, the whole thing is I want to be part of it. I want to be part of the HPDE class to do time attack in the BMW that I'm building. So I'm really looking forward to going up and see how the whole circus works, like everything from grid through hot pit, spinning your laps, and then getting back off track and going to pit. It's something that very much interests me. I love it, and I really just wanted to go up and spectate this year because it wasn't in the cards for me to drive there, unfortunately. But you know, it's going to be a great experience. I'm going to enjoy this drive in the new car. We'll talk about that in a different video. It's just the commuter, so don't worry. The M3 is still alive, and this is just the backup M3. So you know, sit back. We're going to enjoy the ride. All right, about halfway there. We're getting there. Nice little stop at Tascadero, charging the car, easy peasy. The nice thing is it's free right now for a little bit longer, so we're just gonna take a look at a couple pieces of scenery. Thank you very much. Back in the car, and we're gonna continue on the drive. Okay, we made it. We're gonna lie low for the night in this hotel. It is what it is. We're sleeping and we're gonna go to the track tomorrow. So for now, I'm gonna get some food, put my stuff down, and I will see you guys in the morning, bright and early at the racetrack.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How about you, man?
Sorry about the wait.
Don't worry about it.
Give me 1 second.
Sure. All right, we're here. We're at Laguna. Excited to see how it goes today. We'll get out. There's a bit of a fog delay right now, but you know, we'll walk around and see what's out there. I need to buy a hat so I don't get sunburned because you know, regular work makes you go bald. But let's have a good day. Look at some clips, put them together, and hope you like it. the end of the day. Had a good time at Grid Life. Definitely makes me want to give it a shot. So next year I'll definitely have to bring my BMW up and go for at least the time attack stuff. I think that'd be super fun and, you know, make me better as a driver. You know, they even had a setup to where I could have driven this car on track if it was Sunday, which, you know, it would have just been fun just to do, because being on track is always the best part of my life. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the clips, and I want to say thanks to Radium for opening up their stand a little early so I could get a hat, so I didn't get too sunburned, but obviously I got the sunglass sunburn today. All in all, one of the best days ever. It's at Laguna, it's at a racetrack. How are you not going to have fun? Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you guys soon.